So this is my initial setup, sound setup, and as you can tell, there's a few things not right. The first major thing is the hi-hat, the left hi-hat. It doesn't behave at all. And I've tried several times to try and get it to sound right based on other people's ideas and methods and whatnot, but it just doesn't work for me for some reason. Also, the cymbals in general are they appear to be quite tinny, and I'm talking about a sound just acoustic drums, no, not from a band situation. And so there's another problem. The next problem is the toms. Although they sound pretty good, they're too dead. There's no ring. I mean, I'm wearing headphones, as you can see, and there's ring. Those toms are ringing. I actually turned them down for this first initial test, but that doesn't seem to have made a difference. They seem to be just dead, flat. So I've got that problem to solve. The tinny cymbals, the hi-hat, and the snare drum's not great. It's not bad. I'm trying to get it to sound. I'm trying to get everything to sound like an acoustic kit, to be honest with you. And I'm not quite pulling it off. I mean, I haven't spent a lot of time on this, but the toms are going to be the first main issue that I'm going to solve. Then the cymbals, and then I'm going to attack the hi-hat problem. That's going to be a long-term thing, because I just can't get it to behave anyway, no matter what I do. That's not to say that I won't work it out, and it'll come, I suppose, one day. And the snare drum, that's not great. But apart from that, everything's there. It's the Alesis Strike Pro SE, and I do have Superior Drummer within Cubase, but I haven't. That's not being used at present. This is just the Alesis kit. So until next time, let's hope that I can sort some of these sounds out. Catch you later.